Nobody understands savings and affordability better than us. Go Mechanic takes pride in serving over 2 million cars and 1 million Indian car owners in a span of over 5 years. So much so that Go Mechanic has now become a by name in the affordable car servicing industry. We have always advocated for fair and transparent pricing. That is why we offer 300 plus wide variety of car services where the user can flexibly choose what their car actually needs, unheard of in the aftermarket car servicing industry in India. But that wasn't enough for us, we had to do more. What if I told you there's a way you can save even more on your car service? Let me tell you how. Hey guys, this is Vishal, your service buddy for the day, and today I'll be telling you how you can save up to 50% on your car services. Introducing Go Mechanic Miles. Go Mechanic Miles is a tailor-made annual maintenance contract or AMC that helps to maintain your vehicle all year round. It basically rewards you for getting your car serviced. Awesome, isn't it? So what is Go Mechanic Miles? Go Mechanic Miles is a specially tailored annual car maintenance package that helps you maintain your car all year round. You get to choose from a variety of car services along with added Go Mechanic benefits. We make sure that your car remains in its best shape all the year round. Why should you choose Go Mechanic Miles? Well, if you are one of those who keeps on procrastinating your car services or even forget it at times, Go Mechanic Miles is just the perfect thing for you. With Go Mechanic Miles, you get access to a wide variety of best car services and you can save over 50% on each service you avail. You also get absolutely free 2 SOS services at any Go Mechanic workshop near you. Savings at its best, isn't it? How to purchase Go Mechanic Mile membership? Getting on board with Go Mechanic Miles is super easy. All you have to do is download the Go Mechanic app in your phone, select your car's brand, make, model and fuel type. Post that, head to the home screen of the app and tap on the Miles membership tile. You will be greeted to the Go Mechanic Miles AMC page. Finally, add the membership subscription to your car, proceed checkout, pay, and now you are a Go Mechanic Miles member. We wanted you to be free of any car service related restriction, which is why we brought in Go Mechanic Miles. You can avail any service you like as many times you want. There are no restrictions on availing multiple services multiple times. That's a promise. So how much discount can you avail for a particular service under the Go Mechanic Miles AMC package? Think of Go Mechanic Miles as a premium subscription package. If you are a distinguished member of the Go Mechanic Miles family, then you get to save huge on car services. But these discounts vary according to the services you select. For all our Go Mechanic Mile members, we have discounts starting from 10% that go up to a whopping 50%. What is the validity of Go Mechanic Miles AMC? As the name suggests, Go Mechanic Miles is valid for a minimum of all year round protection for your car. For hatchbacks and sedans, this package is valid for 12 months, whereas in case of luxury cars and SUV, Go Mechanic Miles lasts for 15 months. Can you order a single Go Mechanic Miles membership if you own multiple cars? Well, every car has its own needs which need to be taken care of at different points of time in a year. As I told you before, Go Mechanic Miles is a specially designed package for your car. So you will need to buy separate Go Mechanic AMC packages for all the cars you have. Do all Go Mechanic workshops provide services under the Go Mechanic Miles AMC package? Go Mechanic is India's largest network of car servicing workshops, where we have 500 plus workshops in over 25 plus cities in India. So how can we limit Go Mechanic Miles to a limited number of workshops? So if you are a Go Mechanic Miles member, you can avail your car service with the promised discount at any Go Mechanic workshop anywhere in India. So what are you waiting for? The most saving oriented and rewarding car service membership awaits you. Let your car worries take a back seat and get ready for a ride which offers you rewards, savings at its best. Welcome to Go Mechanic Miles. This is Vishal, your service buddy for the day, signing off for today. Goodbye and happy motoring.